Hello and welcome. I'm Rosing Joy Indicatorpi and you're watching me on Midstream at 6. Pradap Sena, who is the SI of Daito police station, amidst the prevailing lockdown, he provided rice and vegetables to the BPA families residing on a hillside from his own allowance. On the other hand, he also encouraged those children of younger age to desist consuming of drugs and uplift them to perform ethical commission. In this way, Pradap Sena could hold the consumption of drugs among the younger age children. Furthermore, Mr. Pradap Sena also offered a helping hand to Jo Songkro, who wants to open her hair salon in the midst of Daito Daily Market by providing him a financial assistance. The BJP party leading the central state government, also Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council, and also the party promised to bring big changes to the people, and as consequently the people elected and hand them the power to run the government. Designing the outcome with construction of road, the party promise seems to be differing. The construction of road under the PMGSY scheme for Jengkam and Meji to Diramuk and the West Karbi Anglong district of Bitung constituency apparently constructed in an appropriate way that even grasses are growing in a newly constructed road, and not only that, the layer of the road are popping up.
Isia video son thani ki post ke short dulang ke end dulang konon banga subsuk ring hoilo masia subsuk undi chat post tamen ne konon nari tu mathing no pu fuji son thasi son alcatra nari tu tamang lam tu ni sun yo la ni ri pen lo ni ri pen si pur lo ka break pen kali lo inchin thang inchin pen ali lo la puli yo son thaksi yo la pu si purom pur bang bang la ke yat kali lo akam sai oi polo la pena la chief samukha bang ta kon rom por si side polo asi akon banjogle contractor claim busta muhuri claim busta mel haiban lang puncha nei la pena ke mi ason an basic claim nanji pusi pulo apen central scheme apol la haiban ke claim nanji kupi ma step ke deng nanji ke ni tum sta melon puthori tum step deng konthula nalo.
According to a name written on the signboard, the road was truly constructed by a man called Pasuni. According to the local, the newly constructed road are getting damaged maybe because of the contractor trying to take a large advantages from the Baitalangso PWD road division. It is notable that PMGSY is a GOP scheme in an attempt to make the road broader in all the rural areas, so it's confusing that the newly constructed road are in such a damaging situation, but that's no report by the PMGSY state quality monitoring officer. So it's significant for the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council to look into the matter deeply, since there is acceptation given by the local people of the area. While on the other hand, will the CEM of Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council, Tuliram Ronghang, would remain quiet on regarding the inappropriate construction of road on his own constituency of Bitung Rengtama. Now let's take a break and we'll be right back in a short while.
Chora pokchokor jinjin ta nangna igar koi bong manai bang sarak thane pokchokor ong
Ko pipo no bong
People lote
igar koi ni pokchokor elo ti men do nang nam bidam thani chicha kon elo
ajo porto lo ke bong pharmacy jingkira po bunan ke
dam lang no hi ki long bang pu chimini
Pokchokor do nang pidun tha Lada katok 24/7 open pu zero anteng puduman
Nanglitum ajat apor lapen ajat arni lewang sitame nilitum Alon Medical Store ke 24/7 ingpu ponlo
Lahenlo Alon Medical Store Ijeng si Karbiang Bongpen Kang Pucheng Pharmacy Labangso Pharmacy rake 24/7 ingpu lapen ajat adawai le nang jisita ladak long poniji lapen kelong le adawai nangli order pikang lote prapjin pen long poniji Lasi Difu Medical College and Hospital opposite Alon Medical Store along nang ritum tame Humrig non. Anso se kachini jiapan aber kipia number along Humrig tame.
Welcome back after the break. Now, Assam reported 5,436 fresh COVID-19 cases in the last 24 hours, informed the state government. Now, total cases in the state shot up to 398,010. The northeastern state also saw 5,760 recoveries and 80 dead in the last 24 hours. taking the overall tallies to 340,178 and 3,168 respectively. Current positivity rate in the state is 4.78%. At present, Assam has as many as 53,317 active cases. The Ministry of Health and Family Welfare on Friday informed that as many as 186,364 fresh COVID-19 cases have been reported in India in the last 24 hours, which is the lowest daily new cases reported in the last 44 days. The daily positivity rate in the country has also gone down to 9%, the Union Ministry said. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching God News.